Hey people of the internet, welcome again. As you're a designer, you does the pixel perfect designs, but still your Figma file annoys everyone. In 2025, people or designers isn't judged by their screens, but they're judged by their file culture. So I'll be sharing with you some 5 unwritten rules that will make your Figma file feels like actually still working in. So the rule 1 is no more copy of homepage. That means if anyone is opening your Figma file, they knows what's inside included. That means it should be layered or structured, having the pages such as the cover page, then the research, then it comes the wireframe, UI, component libraries, and the dev handoff. It is very effective and very beneficial for anyone who is. So the rule 2 is having a cover page. Your cover page treats you as a welcome mat that is including the project name, date, quick links, and the team members. It is very helpful who is coming to as a new team member or as a collaborator. Everyone getting the understanding who is there, and it is very helpful for communicating very open. So the rule 3 is color code for progress. That means green for the ready, yellow for the in progress, and red for the blocked. It is giving a glance and your PM comes to the Figma file and he knows where the things stand. The rule 4 is leaving a note for the engineers in the Figma. That means whenever any engineer is looking for something, they should be select you. For example, a button states, you already left a note in the Figma. I always use the annotations in the Figma. It is very helpful. Whenever they are coming into dev mode, they can easily find it, whether it is attached to any component or might be any of the screens. It's very beneficial for them and it's very short, crisp, and direct. I always keep it. So the last and the final one is the rule 5, which is archive your old flows. That means if your design is not necessary at the moment and you are using it in the future, you can put it and by first creating a new archive page or a draft page, and when you're necessary and when you're needing it, you can use it from there itself. And currently the workspace you're working on stays very clean and hygiene, and you maintain that always. Anyone can make a nice looking designs or screens, but as your designer, if you apply this, your team will be liking to working with you. Start applying these rules and future self. Your engineers who is working with you will be very thankful. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments and I will make such kind of videos more. And till then, you have a nice day and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.